Alright, so the cat in our Airbnb brought in a dead bird, but it's not dead. It tried to attack us as the war was waged, and it's currently, like, we can show you the evidence. Look at this. This is where it all went down. We walked in, cat has a bird here. He lets go of the bird. Bird fucking flies through here. It's going down, as you can see from the evidence of the feathers. I walk in like this. Cat runs this way. I gotta hit the deck, fucking bird. Okay. The bird is currently located in here.
Intelligent enough to find the bird and then lock it in said closet. Housekeeping.
We can't both be here. Eye protection, guys. Let's save a bird.
What are we doing? Hold on. The door going and just turn the lights off.
Oh, so we have to do this in the dark. Yeah, that's great.
That's what it says to do.
The door open? Is the second door open? Yeah, he needs that door open too. He's just gonna fly right into the...
I got this.
Here, hold my beer.
hold my dunks, watch this.
This is...
with Tinder Bowser.
Somebody else grab a sheet and come down here so they can block that guy.
I need a sheet. Yes. Okay.
Why am I the one that has to open up the closet and muscle the damn bird?
I don't know, but it happened. Let's, dude, if this works like we're planning, that'll be fantastic. Oh my god.
I have a flashlight, I can see where the fuck
You need a sensor. People, the neighbors probably.
Look, what the fuck is going on in that house? As we try to guide the bird out.
The bird's probably fucking dead.
That's what I was thinking. The bird's dead. What happened? Is it not in there?
I don't know where it went.
Oh shit.
I see it.
Where is it? Oh shit! Where is it?
It's gone. It went out. I watched it go up.
Hey, we saved it! Uh-huh. Walking up. Yo, we fucking saved the bird. It went out my head again. Mission accomplished. Holy shit.
Oh shit.
She's like, hey, I see it. I'm like, where? Ah! Look at, cat's pissed. Look at him. He's looking around like, really?
You fucker.
He's fucking pissed. Yeah, that's our little fucking tiger right there.
Oh my god, the fucking cat ninja.
Can you imagine what the guy on his lawnmower is thinking right now with all of us out here?
Yeah, he's just like, I'm going.
Come on, kitty. Stop fucking catching birds.
Yeah, there's another one over there. That's where he's capturing me. I don't know why. You little cat ninja. Yeah, you.
You're not a tiger. You live in here. Let's go. Go. Come on.
Come. You're gonna go in your room. You're gonna think about what you did.
Yeah,
Let's
you
go.
think about what you did. Aw, you bitch.
He's like birds.
Fuck him.
You coming in or not? Let's go.
Oh, man.
Come on.
All right, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed that adventure. We'll see you on the next episode.
Come on. Come on.
Hey, we got there. You little fuck.